Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be looking into this, which is how to create Asana tags from email. So here's a simple trick and straightforward guide on how to do that. So the first thing to do is to find your Asana workspace email. So to do that, go to asana.com and sign into your account. So open your project and click the project drop-down menu, then select import to email, or check the help section for unique Asana project email address. After you check for the Asana project email address, you have to compose a new email. So open your email app and start a new message. So in the to field, enter your Asana project email address, write your tax details. The email subject becomes the tax name and the email body becomes the tax description. You can also include key details like links or notes here. Then next thing to do is to add an attachment, which is very optional. So attach any file or image to your email, then they will be uploaded directly to the new tags in Asana. Then after that, send the email. So click send. After a few moments, your email will appear as a new task inside the chosen Asana project. And next thing to do is to check your tags in Asana. So open the project in Asana to confirm your new tag has been created. Then you can edit due to date, assign it to someone, or move it to another section. And that's how you can easily create Asana tags from email. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.